Welcome to Tantric Tuesday and your weekly bite-sized pleasure a moment. Pleasure Coach Virio here. And my tip for you today is to go into the forest, make sure it's where there's no toxic chemicals sprayed, and gather wild greens. This morning, this smoothie is made out of Canadian thistle. Yes, all thistle. Mixed berries, coconut water, and a couple of bananas. And what I promise you with that is you will have more pleasure because you'll have more energy, more nutrients. There was a study done by Victoria Boutenko, and they found that wild greens had anywhere to 100 to 1,000 times more nutrition. So you'll have more energy, which gives you opportunity to access and do more things that you love. So I will share the recipe on the Facebook page, or email me if you would like the recipes. So remember, your pleasure matters. The more energy you have, the more pleasure will you have. So see you next week.